Sir, last famous festival was Diwali, and in Diwali, Diwali is also known as a festival of light. But for kids, it is a festival of crackers. Crackers burn and produce smoke. This smoke contains carbon content like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide is very harmful for us because it creates global warming, and due to this global warming, ozone layer is depleted. So I thought an idea, but then I thought that the crackers that burn are seasonable. Means in Diwali only the crackers are burned. But what about the factories that really smoke every day? So with this motto, I made this project. Here is the factory, here is the carbon air purifier, and here is the chimney. Now, as I start my project, here I have put a small duct fan. Here I have put the dhoop stick so that it will burn and produce carbon dioxide. Now if I start here, so the fan starts and it will travel through here, through here, through here. Here I have put a carbon rod. Here I have put carbon rod to purify the air, to absorb the carbon content. Now, as you can see, carbon this smoke is being traveled to here from carbon rod to here, and now you can clearly see that small air is passing through, and here it is the clear air. It is a very breathable air, and it is very healthy for us. This project reduces AQI, makes air clean, saves life. It is extremely beneficial, and if with this we can breathe happily, live happily. Now, with this also I have some future plans also. Now you might have a question that what only this is only about the factories, but what about the vehicles? So vehicles also release the carbon dioxide. So for vehicles, we can, with some modification, we can make this project more useful by only attaching a carbon collector. This carbon collector will collect all the carbon produced by the smoke, and this carbon collected by the smoke can be converted into the ink. Here, sir, I have written. Here I have written future application with modification. You can please read, because car and vehicles release harmful gases, including carbon. So by this project's idea, we can collect carbon, and collected carbon can be converted into ink. And ink, as we all know, that ink is used to write on the paper. Sir, thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया, थैंक यू.